Hi, this is Shamanth. It's my third video on SolidWorks Basics. Before to this please watch, SolidWorks Basics number 1 Sketch Commands and SolidWorks Basics number 2 Feature Commands sessions for better understanding. Now, we'll start practicing the 3D part creation using sketch commands and feature commands. Let's start SolidWorks. Go to File menu, click on New Document, then click on Part Document. Click OK. Now you can able to see SolidWorks Part Document window screen. In this session, we'll practice sketch tools with an exercises model number 1 as shown in the above image. Right-click on front plane, then select sketch. Now front plane rotated and it came to normal to screen. Go to sketch commands and select the circle command. Click on origin, move mouse cursor radially out direction. Then left click to complete the circle. After that take Smart Dimension tool. Click on circle and move mouse cursor outward direction, then click to complete, then edit the dimension to 80 mm. Similarly, draw one more circle with dimension of 30 mm. Then take line command, click on inner circle on midpoint. Move mouse cursor horizontally outside the bigger circle and left click to finish it. Repeat the same procedure to draw one more horizontal line. Then, go to Trim Entities command to trim unwanted sketch. Under Trim command select Power Trim option. To start, left click and slowly drag it on unwanted sketch. It will remove unwanted sketches entities. Then, draw one more smaller circle using the same procedure. And right-click on it and choose Construction Geometry option to change it to center line. Similarly, draw 3 smallest circles. Select all 3 circles together by holding Ctrl key and click equal constrain option. It will make all 3 smallest circles are identical and equal in diameter. I mean to say, if you change main smallest circle diameter, Remaining 2 will automatically change and become equal. Now, we are at final step, convert this 2D drawing to 3D model by using feature command. Go to extruded boss or base feature command and enter the thickness value 10 mm. Now 2D converted to 3D. You can rotate and see your 3D part on SolidWorks screen. Save it by Ctrl+S shortcut keys.